Hello, welcome to my new video. About a year ago I already made a video about Army of Darkness Book of Dead editions from Italy and Germany. Today I wanted to make a video about my Evil Dead Book of Dead or Necronomicon, the Book of the Dead or Necronomicon collection. If you like what I'm doing, consider subscribing to my channel. It would help a lot. So now to the editions. There are two more frequent and cheaper editions from UK. At first, for Evil Dead 2 and Evil Dead 2. Those are old DVD editions. So here at first, Evil Dead, the Book of the Dead edition in this font from Book of the Dead. So now the packaging without the book itself from Anchor Bay. It's actually the real artwork from the movie, from the Evil Dead movie, from the first Evil Dead. Really embossed, feels leathery and like some leather. Feels really real with this ear, but also feels really fragile. So you have to be really cautious with those. The Book of the Dead. So with artwork from Tom Sullivan, with an introduction by Tom Sullivan, and those are actual drawings that you can see in the movie The Evil Dead that were used. It's not the complete book, of course, but all the pages that are here are the famous pages from the book, from the prop that was used in the movie. It's incredibly beautiful. Unfortunately, not that many pages. The Book of Dead was, fun fact, the Book of Dead was also the same. The Book of Dead was also used in the movie Jason Goes to Hell. You can see it as a prop at the end of the movie in the Voorhees house. So it was implied that Jason Voorhees is actually a deadite who was summoned by the mother, but it was only implied in this one movie. Yeah. So, and here's the DVD in this, really boring case. Full uncut special edition. And here it is. Not that many pages, but here's also a small booklet. It's the only Necronomicon edition with an additional booklet. Evil Dead. There were some other Book of Dead editions that, some kind of copied this artwork, made own artwork, sometimes that was similar to the Tom Sullivan's one. I will place a link to. I already showed in an earlier video my Army of Darkness editions, and I will place a link at the end of this video. There is a German Mediabook, and there is also a really beautiful Italian Midnight Classics edition, the best Midnight Classics edition of Army of Darkness, with a big Book of Dead, the Book of the Dead. So some pictures of other editions of Evil Dead. Yeah, this one I also showed in my video, official bootleg edition, and Evil Dead 2, I also have this one. Still box from Anchor Bay. So really nice. A little bit damaged, unfortunately. Now to the Evil Dead 2, and well, I have 2 copies of it. One that I keep, one was somewhat damaged, so I keep it in the original packaging. And then I found, well, really good offer for another one that is undamaged. Yeah, right. Also by Anchor Bay, and this is actually a button that you could click, and the book would scream, but unfortunately, yeah, there is no way to change batteries. Well, people, folks, that's really unnecessary to do it. They could easily make batteries changeable, but well, the edition is, I suppose, about 15 years old, so obviously that doesn't work anymore. Yeah. Okay, that's really nice. Here also looks really real, really, well, like real book. Bound in flesh and written with blood. Here also beautiful artwork by Tom Sullivan with other artwork, other pages that mostly weren't present in the Evil Dead, the Book of the Dead edition, the first edition. So also an old DVD edition, as I said before. So, and well, there are not that many pages, but the illustrations are simply stunning. Yeah, it's burning, and it's actually like a picture from Army of Darkness, or the ending of Evil Dead 2. So here's also this DVD with this portal artwork, and here special thanks by Tom Sullivan, and here's also beautiful, and here's an ear. Now, now to Army of Darkness. Yeah, this one was insanely difficult to find. I was hunting for it for years. And there were simply no offers. So I had, now I bought it just 2021, the end of 2021, for a really unreasonable price. And this price is even more unreasonable if you think that this cover is extremely fragile, and this thing actually feels like it falls apart. Yeah, and I bought it with original packaging. It was actually in the original packaging, and there is a reason why I won't never ever put it in the original packaging again. It was a similar problem with the next edition, the book, the Necronomicon Evil Dead collection, that I will show later. Also an Australian edition, you can see it on this Australian rating. There is no way to put this thing in this box without damaging it. So the seller, well, managed somewhat to put it in the box, but I suppose she managed to somewhat damage the cover by putting it. So when I put it out, it was really a pain. It was okay. Army of Darkness, the Necronomicon, and this thing costed 70 euros. It was insane, simply insane. Yeah, it's very unfortunate. Well, but this, I knew this beforehand, that this first page would be damaged. Yeah. Here some artwork, this time in color. And this edition, both editions, both Australian editions, are not that old, are only a couple of years old. Here it is. Some pictures from Army of Darkness. And therefore both are Blu-ray editions. Really stunning artwork. Incredible. Just incredible. Yeah, smart. His employer. Yeah, and it's actually a 3-disc edition. Yeah. With theatrical cut on Blu-ray, theatrical cut on DVD, and director's cut only on DVD and bonus features. And well, I didn't find, to be honest, I didn't find a way to open this, so I couldn't watch the discs. Yeah, I have Evil Dead, I have Army of Darkness in another edition, so it's not necessary, but well. Yeah. Similarly structured and similarly designed as the both Anchor Bay editions. Very nice edition to the collection. Now, the Evil Dead Anthology with the Evil Dead, with the classical Evil Dead trilogy and the new Evil Dead remake. In this big, beautiful box. Here's supposed to be the book, and here's the Kandarian dagger, and the same as with the I bought it new. It's the same with the Army of Darkness edition. I didn't find any way to put it back in without damaging it, so I let it without the outer packaging, and well, kept the outer packaging separately. Yeah, the Evil Dead. The book is much bigger, so you can compare it here. This edition is also not exactly cheap, but it's not nearly as difficult to find. You mostly have several offers. So well, you can buy it if you don't matter the price. Just stunning, and yeah, right. That's the artworks from the original trilogy. Simply stunning. So, and here are the artworks from the remake. And here are the discs. Yeah, right. Yeah, with a very similar packaging like the Army of Darkness. Evil Dead 2, Army of Darkness is one disc. Evil Dead the remake, one of very few horror remakes that really worked for me. I think it's for me at least it's the best remake, much better than something like Nightmare on Elm Street or Friday the 13th remakes. Invaluable, a documentary and 2 bonus discs of Evil Dead the remake. And here is the end page, and here it is. They are a little bit different because they feel like they are customly made. It feels really great. And Kandarian dagger, just stunning, with a skull. This bone-like structure looks like spine. So with Kandarian dagger, you could destroy the Book of the Dead. Kandarian Dagger also played a significant role in Ash vs. Evil Dead, this great series that unfortunately was cancelled after the 3rd season, which is really a shame. It was one of the best series, and it captured the tone and the humor and the horror of the Evil Dead movies perfectly. Well, let's see. 2022 is the next part, Evil Dead Rise, will be released. I'm really looking forward to it. Very interesting what they do with the franchise. Well, folks, that was it. If you like what I am doing, consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to check the link to the other Army of Darkness Necronomicon video, where I will show German and Italian editions with Necronomicon artwork. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite Evil Dead movie. How do you like these editions? Leave a thumb up. Till the next time. Bye bye.